Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss another topic from ischemic heart disease, that is myocardial infarction. In the part one, we have discussed about the angina pectoris, which is a disease in which there is a plaque formation which causes the heart to be ischemic. And the another one is myocardial infarction, which is commonly known as heart attack. It is a disease that occurs when the blood supply to a part of the heart is interrupted, which result in oxygen shortage, causes damage and death of the heart tissue. The term myocardial infarction is derived from the myocardium, the heart muscle, and the infarction means tissue death due to oxygen starvation. The area of the muscle that has either zero flow or little flow cannot sustain cardiac activity, leads to infarct. This process is called myocardial infarction. The resulting ischemia causes damage and potential death of heart tissue. It is a medical emergency and the leading cause of death for both men and women all over the world. And the risk factors are old age, gender, race, cigarette smoking, diabetes, high BP and obesity, and women who use combined oral contraceptive pills have a modestly increased risk of myocardial infarction. Pathophysiology. Events in the development of ischemic heart diseases are there are three major factors that can cause the reduced blood flow, that is cerebral arterial occlusions, severe vasospasm, and atheroma, that is atherosclerosis. These all three causes will leads to the reduced blood flow, which may causes myocardial infarction. And due to myocardial infarction, there is a deficient pumping, which can leads to the sudden shock or congestive heart failure. And in both these conditions, there is a death of the person. The most common cause of MI is narrowing of the epicardial blood vessel due to atheromatous plaque. Plaque gets ruptured with an exposure of the basement membrane, resulted in platelet aggregation, thrombus formation, fibrin accumulation, and hemorrhage, along with varying degree of vasospasm. This can result in partial or complete occlusions of the blood vessel, which resulted into myocardial ischemia. Non-atherosclerotic cause of MI includes coronary vasospasm due to for number first, Frenchmental angina, and in those who are using cocaine and amphetamines, coronary emboli due to infected heart wall. And the signs are abnormal sound in lungs, rapid pulse, normal, high or low BP, and the clinical manifestations and the clinical symptoms are chest pain, prolonged chest discomfort lasting longer than 30 minutes, radiation to the left or neck is left artery and neck is common, shortness of breath, low grade fever, loss of consciousness or even sudden death, weakness, lightheadedness. Women often experience different symptoms than men, that is dyspnea, weakness, fatigue, sleep disturbances, etc. I hope the concept is clear. Here we have discussed about the ischemic heart disease, means the diseases which causes the heart to be ischemic, that is oxygen deficiency, and due to the oxygen deficiency there is a abnormal or the disbalance in the function of the heart, which causes two types of condition, that is angina pectoris, which we have discussed in our part one video. And in angina pectoris there is a plaque formation which block the arteries and hence hinder the blood flow, and which causes the deficiency of oxygen or deficient oxygen supply to the heart. And in the myocardial infarction there is a low blood supply to the heart muscle, which causes the starvation of the or death of the heart muscles, and due to this there is a there is a shock or congestive heart failure, and also the myocardial infarction is also known as heart attack. And these conditions eventually leads to the death of a person.